Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to master simple present and simple past tense with easy daily life examples. Listen carefully and practice with me. I wake up early evening. I wake up early evening. I woke up early yesterday. I woke up early yesterday. I drink hot coffee every morning. I drink hot coffee every morning. I drank hot coffee yesterday. I drank hot coffee yesterday. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I brushed my teeth yesterday. I brushed my teeth yesterday. I take a warm shower every morning. I take a warm shower every morning. I took a warm shower yesterday. I took a warm shower yesterday. I make my bed every day. I make my bed every day. I made my bed yesterday. I made my bed yesterday. I check my phone every morning. I check my phone every morning. I checked my phone yesterday. I checked my phone yesterday. I pack my lunch every day. I pack my lunch every day. I packed my lunch yesterday. I packed my lunch yesterday. I do yoga every morning. I do yoga every morning. I did yoga yesterday. I did yoga yesterday. I comb my hair every day. I comb my hair every day. I combed my hair yesterday. I combed my hair yesterday. I leave for a college every morning. I leave for a college every morning. I left for college yesterday. I left for college yesterday. I attend meetings every Monday. I attend meetings every Monday. I attended meetings last Monday. I attended meetings last Monday. I type reports every afternoon. I type reports every afternoon. I typed reports yesterday afternoon. I typed reports yesterday afternoon. They solve problem every day. They solve problem every day. They solved problem yesterday. They solved problem yesterday. He prints documents every week. He prints document every week. He printed documents last week. He printed documents last week. She drinks green tea during work every day. She drinks green tea during work every day. She drank green tea during work yesterday. She drank green tea during work yesterday. I clean my desk every evening. I clean my desk every evening. I cleaned my desk yesterday evening. I cleaned my desk yesterday evening. We meet clients every month. We meet clients every month. We met clients last month. We met clients last month. She finished her work on the time every day. She finished her work on the time every day. She finished her work on time yesterday. She finished her work on time yesterday. I bake chocolate cakes every Sunday. I bake chocolate cakes every Sunday. I bake chocolate cakes last Sunday. I bake chocolate cakes last Sunday. I chop vegetable every evening. I chop vegetable every evening. I chopped vegetables yesterday evening. He boils milk every morning. He boils milk every morning. He boiled milk yesterday morning. He boiled milk yesterday morning. She washed the dishes every night. She washed the dishes every night. She washed the dishes every night. She washed the dishes yesterday night. She washed the dishes yesterday night. I prepare breakfast every day. I prepare breakfast every day. I prepared breakfast yesterday. I prepared breakfast yesterday. We buy fresh vegetables every week. We buy fresh vegetables every week. We brought fresh vegetables last week. We brought fresh vegetables last week. He makes delicious pasta every Saturday. He makes delicious pasta every Saturday. He made delicious pasta last Saturday. He made delicious pasta last Saturday. I clean the kitchen every weekend. I clean the kitchen every weekend. I cleaned the kitchen last weekend. I cleaned the kitchen last weekend. They order pizza every Friday. They order pizza every Friday. They order pizza last Friday. They order pizza last Friday. I play guitar every evening. I play guitar every evening. I played guitar yesterday evening. I played guitar yesterday evening. He watches cricket matches every Sunday. He watches cricket matches every Sunday. He watched cricket matches last Sunday. He watched cricket matches last Sunday. I listen to podcasts every night. I listen to podcasts every night. I listened to podcasts yesterday night. I listened to podcasts yesterday night. We take photos every vacation. We take photos every vacation. We took photos last vacation. We took photos last vacation. He writes poem every month. He writes poem every month. He wrote poem last month. He wrote poems last month. I click selfies every day. I click selfies every day. I clicked selfies yesterday. I clicked selfies yesterday. They play video games every weekend. They play video games every weekend. They played video games last weekend. They played video games last weekend. She drives a car every week. She drives a car every week. She drove a car last week. She drove a car last week. He mops the floor every morning. He mops the floor every morning. He mopped the floor yesterday morning. He mopped the floor yesterday morning. I dust the furniture every week. I dust the furniture every week. I dusted the furniture last week. I dusted the furniture last week. I pay electricity bill every month. I pay electricity bill every month. I paid the electricity bill last month. I paid the electricity bill last month. She walks in the park every evening. She walks in the park every evening. She walked in the park yesterday evening. She walked in the park yesterday evening. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. I spoke English yesterday. I spoke English yesterday. She teaches kid every weekend. She teaches kid every weekend. She taught kids last weekend. She taught kids last weekend. He reads the newspaper every morning. He reads the newspaper every morning. He read the newspaper yesterday morning. He read the newspaper yesterday morning. He helps poor people every month. He helps poor people every month. He helped poor people last month. He helped poor people last month. He saves money every month. He saves money every month. He saved money last month. He saved money last month. We celebrate festivals every year. We celebrate festivals every year. We celebrated festivals last year. We celebrated festivals last year. She wins the prize every year. She wins the prize every year. She won the prize last year. She won the prize last year. He meets his childhood friends every year. He meets his childhood friends every year. He met his childhood friends last year. He met his childhood friends last year. Great job practicing today. Keep repeating this sentence until you become completely confident. Like this video if it helped you. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.